9 of 10 of us, right? So just like last time, we will do the what we have done in the last week, that summary thing. So Adil, can you start?
Um, Actually, I hadn't done anything last week other than checking out some organizations of GSOC. That's all I had done actually.
Mm, what about your group? I mean, the project.
The project interpreter, I had read the book and asked Abhijit bro about some things, and he said he'll be doing the next phase, uh, the parser part, I think. And I
Mm-hmm.
had raised an issue for converting it into a package, and that's all.
Like the a Python package.
I think it will be a pip package.
Yeah, yeah, big package. So next, Rizal,
Yes. Uh,
can you? Yeah.
in the last week, I haven't done anything due to the internal exam.
Yeah, nothing
Uh,
much.
that's all. It's because of the exam, I haven't done anything, and I'm going to start today working.
Yeah, okay. So next, Shankar, can you share about yours?
Uh, I am part of both P2P and startup. I have almost completed the code of the startup and working on the P2P.
Okay. What about the chat app? Is it? I mean, that basic stuff. Is it over?
I am just did the server side. Vipin is doing the front end and the main working parts.
Yeah. I mean, can you do a presentation if, like, right now? I mean, after a few minutes.
I am on my phone. I don't have that code with me, so I think if
Uh,
Vipin or
I will present the chat app. I mean, uh, until now, I will share.
yeah. Okay. The work until now, right? You can do the presentation like after the uh, dev team. I mean, the dev team haven't arrived, right?
No.
So you can.
Okay. So Vipin will present the screen and Shankar will talk of that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's continue from the next. Who? Alvin.
Yeah, hi. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I've been working on a live tree project. Today I did a pull request with adding branches and clear functionality, uh,
Mm-hmm.
and I deployed it. That's all.
Where did you deploy it?
And at Netlify.
Netlify. Good. Anything else that you want to share?
I have been busy last week, due to exams, but
Yeah,
that's all.
yeah, yeah. Most of us are like this week. We are very busy since the series was conducted during this week.
Yeah.
So next Vibin.
Okay, this week I finished the sidebar of our chat app. Uh,
Mhm.
I know that you don't understand anything without seeing, so I will explain in detail when I present.
Yeah, 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 that's all right. Uh, Next, Anashwara.
Hey, wait.
Hi.
Okay, sorry. So we decided to drop the algorithms project. I'm sorry. Are you
Mm-hmm.
getting this feedback, sir?
Sorry?
Some kind of echoes. Wait.
No, 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 no. The audio is fine for me.
Okay, so our goals have been dropped right now because it doesn't really go with the program goals. You know, main goals were open source and stuff, so we decided to drop it. So that's now, and now I'm just part of FOSS blog. About FOSS blog, we had discussions last week, and we had initially decided to go with a template like a blog starter, but then we decided that uh, there's nothing much to do with the starter, so the only design changes. So we decided to start from the hello world starter and do all the data querying and everything ourselves, so we can get a hang of all the technologies that are used inside the GraphQL and stuff in Gatsby. So yeah, that's
Mm-hmm.
and we also tried deploying some example blogs. So I think yeah, it will be easy because we already have some experience doing example blogs. So okay, so that's much it. And Sarika has started on the first PR like initial setup. So after that, we'll start with a basic structure of the blog. Uh, with all the content querying and stuff. We are not using a backend, so all
Mm-hmm.
the content is stored in the front end itself and deployed in GitHub pages. So we just need to come up with the MVP first. That has all this basic stuff, content querying,
Okay.
tagging systems, and only after that we'll need more people on board for the design. So
Oh,
yeah, that's
oh.
pretty much. And yeah, also I contributed to DevPad, like a small change in the front end UI.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's pretty much like.
Okay, thank you. So, next, Aryan.
Hello. I've been contributing to circuit boards for a while, for the past week.
I'm sorry, but your volume is a bit low. Aryan can do next. So, can Jidika
Okay,
do
hello.
it now?
Can you hear me right now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I've been contributing to circuit boards lately, this past week.
Mm-hmm.
I have done one or two PRs this week, and I'm also working on a project of mine for a personal project.
Okay, okay.
And
Great.
uh, as I said, I have contributed to Library too. I have been testing it out with the reactor, and
Mm-hmm.
as I'm not really fluent in React, so I might have to just be a bit experienced in it.
Okay.
So that's
Okay,
it.
thank you, Aryan. Next, Jidika.
Hello. So our project is about price tracker application by using web scraping.
Mm-hmm.
So we have made one initial pull request regarding the front end part, which is by using React, and we are working on the processing part, the backend part as well. We are learning about Django and stuff like that. These past these 2 weeks had been a little stuffs were there, so we haven't made much. contributions, but we have made an initial plan like how it should be, what it should be, what templates we should use, what and how and stuff like that. The documentation part and all has been um, scrutinized like that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Chitika. So I'll be the one next. So what I have been doing last week was uh, I've been teaching the code base. I mean, how React work and how the code works to my team members, and then I was working on my Telegram bot. So that was pretty much it. And uh, next, Anand, can you share something?
Okay, hi.
Hello.
The past week I was continuing working on my PR. Actually, it's still not complete, and I think I'll take the whole October to finish my all the to-do lists, all the
Oh,
things.
the Libertium.
Right, Liberty.
Yeah. Okay, then we can move on to the presentation, right?
Yep.
Vipin.
Okay, I will start the presentation. Okay, can you able to see my screen? Are you able?
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay, this is the main screen of my chat app. Sorry, not main screen. This is the first screen of my React app, React chat app.
A login screen.
So, yes, here, if we have already created an ID, means if we already have an ID, we just type that ID and click the login. Or if we don't have an ID, we just click the create ID and we will move to the next screen. Here, our ID is displayed at the bottom of the screen, and at this present moment, we don't have any conversations nor contacts. So we go to the contacts; it is empty. So we can create, click the button new contact, type an ID and a name, and create a contact. Similarly. Okay, now we have two contacts. So in the conversations part, we can click the new conversation and select how many of them we have to message. Okay, I now
like a group.
select first person. We can either select one and message the one person, or we can select so many people and send it as a group.
Okay.
Okay, and I have finished until this sidebar part in the GitHub repo. This message box and send button is today's development. I haven't pushed it yet, and it is not working. This part is not working, and I have to create the messages part also, displaying messages.
Okay. What do you mean by the sidebar?
Sidebar. This part is called sidebar.
This okay.
This
The section on the left.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And can you
Shankar?
tell me how the ID is generated on the left?
It is created by a node module called UUID. So it's just a random ID. Since it is this much long, I hope it will not be generated, or there are no two duplicate IDs.
So it should be unique, right?
Yes.
Mm-mm. So about the server-side implementation, can Shankar say something?
Uh,
Can you hear me?
Yes. Bipin, do you have my code? Bipin? Actually, I am on my phone and I don't have the code with me now.
Okay. The code is not merged yet.
Yes, it's merged.
So
last
Vibin, can you do an example of how you do it, that server implementation? I mean the example, not the code. You know, hello, Vibin. Can anyone hear me?
Yes.
Yes, you're audible. So I don't think Shankar has deployed his part yet.
Uh, then it's okay.
He said he merged his code, but I don't think the
It's
client
deployed
and
it.
server are connected.
No, they are not connected yet.
Okay.
Then can we conclude the meeting then?
Okay, then Shankar can explain next time.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do it.
Okay then. Goodbye. And thank you all for joining.